Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over the diagonal upward strike, the reverse diagonal upward strike, and the left-handed version of it and the right-handed version of it. Now in Japanese, the left-handed version of this is Gyaku-Naname-Age-Uchi. The right-handed version, Naname-Age-Uchi. We're going to start from Hidari no Kamae. I'm going to step forward. The end of my bow is coming up and across on a diagonal here. Right-hand end of my bow is pulling into my upper arm here, so I maintain my 3 points of contact. Left hand, right upper arm there. So I'm going to step through, up and through on a diagonal here. Once more, step through, up and through on a diagonal. That is Gyaku-Naname-Age-Uchi. Gyaku just means that I'm using the left hand end of the bow for this. Now after this strike, we're going to step through with our right foot, come up and through with the right hand end of the bow. This is Naname-Age-Uchi. Now again, we're moving up and through on a diagonal here. It's not a swing straight across horizontally. So let's just put those together. 1 and 2. Let's try it again. 1, 2, and once more. 1, 2. Go slowly at first, get a feeling for the motion. If I rush this, I'm going to tend to just let the ends of the bow rise up and come into a plain old horizontal strike. Now there's nothing wrong with a horizontal strike. The point of this diagonal strike is it's not having to go quite as far. It's a straight line up and through. It's going to reach its target 1/10 of a second or thereabouts, maybe 2/10 of a second before that would. This is traveling further. This is on a direct line. Now let's look at this from the side. Now starting from Hidari no Kamae here, we're stepping through, up and through on our diagonal, then stepping through, up and through on our diagonal here. Now this is a set of strikes we see in Bokumatachi, so you've had a chance to work with this. Again, 1 and 2. And once more, 1, 2. It can take a little bit of work to get the feeling for it. So keep it slow at first. Just get comfortable with it. Get it moving on that diagonal. Then you can start taking it a little faster and harder. Just make sure you've got good control over it. Now, once you're getting that good control, we can start working on a target. This will come if I could have your assistance with this. Now again, I'm going to start from Hidari no Kamae. And we're going to use a bokken here as our target. And notice that this is angled out at about 45 degrees here. It is not straight up and down here. I want to be sure that as I'm moving forward, doing this strike, I'm just going to touch, that we're coming together at about a 90-degree angle here, that I'm really moving up on that diagonal. So So I'm getting good solid contact there. So I'm going to move in, touch. Then my partner is going to step back, switch the bow over to the other side. I'll move in here and touch. And we'll just try it again. I'm going to step and touch, just find it. Step and touch, and just find it. This helps me strike upward at that angle. Again, step and touch. Step and touch, just like that. Then we'll go a little faster and harder. I want to stay well clear of my partner's hands. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Once more. 1, 2. Thank you, Mr. Disselbaum. You can get a good hard strike out of this. But be sure you have good control over it before you start taking it hard. That you're getting that good diagonal motion on it, that you can put the ends of this consistently where you want them, that it's not drifting around, striking here and there. You want to be able to control this. Once you can control it, then bang, bang. You can get good hard strikes with it. All right, that is Gyaku-Naname-Age-Uchi and Naname-Age-Uchi, the reverse diagonal upward strike and the diagonal upward strike. Thank you very much for joining me.